Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at sustainable development in energy systems or in energy supply and management. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development simply means a style of living, producing, and consuming in a manner that meets the present need, but at the same time catering for future needs. So when you're consuming energy, you consume the energy in such a way that it meets the present need that you have, but at the same time you're also taking care of future needs, the future generation, the kids unborn. So you know that some energy sources like fossil fuel, most of them can get depleted. They are not renewable. So when you're consuming them, you consume in such a way that you reserve the ones that future people can use. How do you go about that? In Nigeria, when we are producing our energy, crude oil in the Niger Delta region, we have gas flaring. Why should we flare gas when we can use the energy? There's a way we can convert that gas flare, the gas that is being flared, into energy, so that we can reduce the consumption of the crude oil that is in the ground. So there are many things we can do to conserve some of this energy so that the future generation can have as much energy as they want. You know, crude oil is very easy energy to use, so we need to leave some for the future generation. So that is sustainable development. It takes all this very seriously. So we need to find out a way that we can do this. Sustainable development also involves exploring other areas of energy use. The renewable energy, the solar energy. When we can use solar energy and other sources of energy, we'll be able to conserve our crude oil reserve. Understand? Then sustainable development also involves taking care of the environment. You don't care about just let's go and use all the fossil fuel, let's go and pollute our environment with CO2. And there is global warming. Because of the global warming that we are having now, we can still stay with it. But in future, when the ocean level must have gone up too high and there is much greenhouse gases in the sky, causing global warming, with time, when we have our future generations coming up, the environment will no longer be sustainable for them. They can no longer survive in the environment. So in sustainable development, you try to use energy in such a way that you're comfortable now and it's meeting your need. At the same time, the future generations that are coming up, they also have to be comfortable at the same time using energy. So those are the things we look at in sustainable development. So that's why we define it as living, producing, and consuming. When you live, you produce and consume in a manner that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. That is what we call sustainable development. And this sustainable development can be looked at. It's a principle, very strong principle, which has to be supported with policy and regulations in every society. So it has to be treated under some domains like environment, economy, society, and lastly, and newly introduced, culture. So whenever you're consuming energy, make sure that the environment is protected. At the same time, it has to be economical. At the same time, it has to be socially inclined and oriented. It has to take care of the social, the politics, and every other thing that will make people that are in the area where the energy is being produced comfortable. Like in Niger Delta, if you go there, you see that the youth, they are not happy because there is pollution and all those other things. So environment has to be taken care of, economy has to be taken care of, society, the youths, and everybody. In order for you to continue to produce your energy, there has to be peace in the community that you are in. Then there has to be culture. These three, you have to continue practicing them and develop them into your culture so that it has to be continued. So that is what we do when we talk about sustainable development. It has to be looked under these various domains. So if we make a diagram of these three major ones, you're going to find out that any sustainable development in this domain has to be bearable, to the environment, it has to be viable economically. You understand? So, and it is only when it is viable, when it is bearable, that it can be sustainable. So it has to take care of all these various domains for you to have sustainable development. Sustainable development in energy system is simply when you are living, producing and consuming in such a manner that meets the present need as well as not compromising future needs. And it has to be done considering the environment, the economy, the society, and it has to be done in form of culture. It has to be there. It has to be learned, and it has to be incorporated in your working routine in the company. The industries, they have to know about this and imbibe them. How you manage waste, it has something to do with sustainable development. You understand? As you're producing, you have to manage waste very well. So please, if you have any question in the drop it on in the comment section. I have a complete note for all the questions, likely questions in energy system and renewable energy. It's already in the comment section of this video. Please hit the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Hit the description section for you to see the complete question and answer to all tutorial questions. And these are subjects in this very course, energy systems and renewable energy. Please, if you like my video, support me as you can. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.